Damn, it's cold today. Flipping out, it's freezing. Anyways, look. I don't know if the camera can see that. Anyways, what's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is, I got some bad news, man. I got some bad news about this car. So basically, I was driving home. I went to my girl's house. I was driving home, and then suddenly this message comes up on the screen saying drivetrain problem, something with the drivetrain, so drive moderately or something. So obviously when I went home, I opened the bonnet, looked underneath the bonnet, and I saw that the charge pipe had blew off. It's so peak how my charge pipe just broke, man. Flipping out. I didn't know there were people saying they're common, but damn, I already got a car over you, and the charge pipe's broken, man. Look at that. In LIMP bastard. Managed to get it back on to get home, but it literally flew off and it broke right there, right there. I didn't know that. I know charge pipes were common, but damn, only a week of ownership and that thing's already blew off. The charge pipe blew off, it's like it just blew off. So I managed to get it on a little bit to drive it home, and obviously spoke to the dealership. The car's on the warranty, so we went for uprated charge pipe anyway. So we went for uprated charge pipe, got that fitted yesterday, and yeah, it's all good from there. The car drove well, drove good, and now as soon as like I was close to getting home now, this comes up. This comes up here. Drive stability, wait, stabilization. Yeah, drive stabilization, drive moderately. So it was a different message before. So I'm wondering if when they fit the charge pipe, they disconnected something and didn't connect it back in it. But I rang up them yesterday anyways, and they said I'll bring the car back tomorrow, so I'm going to take it back there today and obviously see what the problem is, and hopefully it's not too bad, because I haven't been able to make any videos because the car's kind of been off the road a little bit. But the charge pipe problem's fixed, but there's another problem now. It might, I think they say it's a wheel speed sensor or something like that sometimes. But yeah, let me just show you the new charge pipe anyways, so you guys can see. There you go, the bonnet's open. There it is. There's the new charge pipe. As you can see, that's not blowing off. That's not blowing off. So we know it's not the charge pipe because we changed that yesterday. And yeah, man. The car's due for an induction kit as well. Anyway, gonna get an induction kit and sports cat and go for stage 2 intercooler. Got charge pipes out of the way. But yeah, man, it's pretty sad how it's ended up, to be honest. I bought a new car because I didn't want any problems. The Corsa started to have little problems and stuff, like not anything major, but just little problems like wearing up bushes and stuff like that. And I bought a new car just so I don't have those niggly problems, and it looks like I got this now and it's worse. But the good thing is the car's on the warranty anyways at the dealership, so that's good. I'm gonna got the warranty for it anyways, because if I didn't like that charge pipe was £199, didn't it? Like £200 for a charge pipe. MTC charge pipe. So we agreed to go with the uprated charge pipe so it doesn't happen again. And yeah man, so I'm gonna vlog the process of me bringing it back there today anyways, to see what the problem is, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. So if I haven't uploaded, we're just trying to get the car back on the road before I do any mods to it or anything. Just trying to get it run right before I get the induction kit and sports cat and intercooler to go to stage 2. That's the thing I love with these cars, they don't need to do too much to go stage 2. And it's either that or I could get like a boot mod or like a stage 1 first and then go stage 2. Comment down below what you think I should do. Also, I've been looking at some splitters for the back, because you know no, spoiler, that's what I meant. Actually, I've looked at a splitter, Maxim Design splitter, which I'm gonna get that. Might order it now. I've been looking at some rear spoilers, but I don't know what to get. I don't know what rear spoiler to get. A lot of side skirts. I've been looking at some wheels as well. But a day at a time, man. A day at a time. I think I'm gonna chase the power first, and then do the aesthetics after that. So just keep tuned, man. I just want to drive my car, man. I've been like, cause obviously I got the charge pipe, the stock charge pipe. I made it fit on somehow. So I was able to drive to work and drive home and stuff like that, but obviously no boost. And yesterday, literally just in traffic, that light thing just came on. So maybe they just need to clear the code or something. But I just keep you lot updated. And also to my new subscribers, bless up for subscribing, man. I appreciate the support, man. I appreciate the support. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. That'd be a nice Christmas present for me. So subscribe, man. Subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, man. We've got lit content to come. We've got lit content to come in it. So just keep tuned. We've got exhaust system. We've got pops. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna get a pop and bang up on there because it already pops nicely anyway. And if you want any more POV, any driving videos, comment down below what you want to see of the car, man. But we've got some mods coming, but for now we're just trying to get it run right. And yeah, hopefully it ain't nothing too serious, man. And also I'm gonna do the hardened carding system. It sounds good, but I think there's a sub upgrade that you could do for the under seat subs, and we'll get that done as well. So yeah, but anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and support the thing as I always say. Best up to my new subscribers and to the OGs. Much love to you lot, man. I appreciate the support. And yeah man, see you in the next video, bro. Hopefully the next video is of it getting fixed, but I'm just giving you a quick update of the car.